5 Russian basic words that you probably mispronounce. How do you pronounce this word? Это. This one? Моя. Word number 3? Собака. And this one? Она. This one? Пока. If you want to sound like a Russian native speaker, when you have an unstressed letter O in your word, relax your organs of speech and let it sound like ah. If you want to know why and also which other letter is usually mispronounced in Russian, go to my Instagram account and send me a direct message with just 2 words, хочу guide, and I'll send you a free guide which will answer your questions about Russian pronunciation.